Very. So we are doing now is March 2022. Okay. So we will start with here we go. HTML. This HTML part. Let's start with task 4, which is spreadsheet. Okay. You're going to create a spreadsheet to display data about lakes of the Great Rift Valley in Africa. Some of these lakes can be found in more than one country. Open the file, lake SP, save the file with your name. Okay, right. So let's do it step by step. Fine. So here's the file. Okay. Did I share the previous recording or not?
Yes, it's recording.
Okay. No. The previous recording, did I share it with you?
No.
Oh, I'll share this one and that one today. Okay, both of them. No, I did, my dear.
Yes.
That was class recording.
No. No, you didn't share the class recording.
Yes.
You shared a YouTube video.
That was the same idea. That was the same paper done. It's the same thing.
Yeah, that's the same thing.
Yes. Same paper. But it was recording.
Sir, but why are you sending me videos of using old Windows?
That it doesn't make a difference.
There is a difference actually in Excel versions.
No, what are you saying? I'm recording. What are you saying?
For example, there are.
Okay. Delete row 1. Delete row 1. Are you sure? Okay.
Row 1 and column A to G.
Okay. Delete row 1. Okay. Fine. If they're saying so, I will. But okay. Fine. I will delete row 1 and delete
A
columns
to G
A, B.
columns. A to G columns should be deleted.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Right. I'm solving this first time with you. Okay. D, E, F. So D, E, F. Have I opened the right file? 22 lake. Yeah. So delete. Right. And what else? And G. But there was nothing in G. Okay. E, F.
It was, but you
It
just
was empty.
deleted it.
When it was empty.
You can control Z, start from the beginning.
This is the beginning.
You should just select A to G. You should just select A to G and then delete the rows. That
So we delete row 1. Let's just follow the instruction. Okay. And he says delete row.
yes. Then just select A to G. A to G. All A to G.
No.
Just
See.
hold. Just click on A. Just
No.
click on A and then press. Keep holding Shift and then click on G and then delete them.
My dear, we don't have to delete C. C is also there.
Yes, but we can just select all and then we can
Yes.
delete it.
So we have to delete is how many? 1, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we just this. Okay.
Select all of them and then Control C.
Let's.
And then we delete it.
We just have this. Okay, fine. If this is what they want. Okay. Remove or duplicate.
Remove all duplicate data from your spreadsheet.
Okay. So how do you remove duplicate data? Remember?
Should we filter it?
Yes.
And then first filter
Okay.
Kenya and then
Let's
delete.
read the question. Let's read.
I like filtering.
Place on the left, create by header by space your name, right, and remove all duplicate data in spreadsheet, sort your data in setting order set. Okay, fine. So actually, what they want is they want unique entries only. Okay. So they want duplicate data to be deleted. So what we can simply do is we can simply select this. Okay. And remember conditional formatting and duplicate.
Oh.
Remember this?
Yes.
So
and then we delete them. Delete
yes,
the highlighted one.
So these are all these are not duplicate, but these are duplicates. So what we can do is I can simply manually obviously have to delete. There is another way, but since that advanced thing is not in our syllabus, I'm not discussing that. Tanzania, deleted. Democratic Republic of Congo. We delete this, and we'll check it again. Okay. We have Ethiopia, and you delete this one. We did you have Kenya at the top? Yeah, we did.
We did Lithuania. That's why it was highlighted. And there are two Ethiopia. You should delete that also.
Yeah. No, Ethiopia is fine now.
Rwanda, Burundi. There are two Democratics and two Uganda and two Burundi.
So obviously, which whenever is highlighted, we can delete them automatically. You see, and we have two key. Yes. So now we actually obviously have this. Fine.
And then we add a footer with of our name.
Yeah. Yeah.
Footer or header? It was footer, I think.
Okay. So what this thing is, right? So
Header.
yeah,
It was
remove
header.
place in the in left in the header. This. Okay.
Created by
Right. Place on the right in the header and the automated file name. Okay. So in the left on this and on the right, I want to automate file name. So obviously I'll come to file, I'll come to print, I will come into page setup and you do
page setup, header,
and custom
custom
header.
header,
In the left, I
and
want
then
this.
created by
And here I want is this. Am I right?
yes.
Okie dokie. Right, here we go. Next,
Which is
sort your spreadsheet into ascending order. Set your spreadsheet to display grid lines and row and columns. Okay, fine. We can actually do it in ascending order. Right. And we have to do what next is grid lines and row and column headings. What do I mean by that? That I can come into print. Are you with me? Print,
yes, I am with you.
page setup. Do you see sheet,
Sheet, sheet. And
grid
then we
lines,
do grid lines.
and
Okay,
row and
grid
column
lines
headings?
and row and head column headings.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Right? Okay. So I get this. You get the point.
yes.
Okay, I get this, right?
Sir, what if
Yes.
we want only column headings? Only column headings.
Yeah, yeah. So you can
Do we
just
have any setting for that?
no. You don't have setting for that. They're both, right?
I want okay.
Okay, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, save spreadsheet grid lines. Save your spreadsheet. Take a screenshot to show the print preview of a spreadsheet. Make sure the header is fully visible. Grid lines are displayed. Row and column headings are visible. Fine. So this is what we have. Okay, take a screenshot of this. So
Sir, what is it asking?
it's saying take a screenshot to show the print preview of a spreadsheet. So basically what we have to do is we have to show is the print preview of this. This is what they're saying. I will use the snipping tool. Okay. And I
Sir,
can
can we use the shortcut shift Windows shift S?
actually snipping tool is better because it doesn't occupy a lot of space. That's why I prefer the snipping tool.
No, no, no.
Mm-hmm.
It's the shortcut for snipping tool.
Okay, yeah, we can. So I'll simply do this and okay, fine. Right, get the point. Okay.
Mhm.
Right.
Don't we have to show the file part also? You have to take the screenshot of the whole
Yeah.
page.
I mean,
You just took it from about. You just took that.
here we go. Right.
Yes.
Okay. Place you have in a document. A screenshot of print preview of your spreadsheet will be required. Information clearly visible. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now let's do. Let's see why did they ask us to do this. Open the file grid and go into lake.csv. So
Yes.
uh,
Sir, in which format are we supposed to save it?
Excel workbook.
Okay. Excel workbook.
Open the file. Save the spreadsheet. Okay. So we'll simply save it. Okay. We will simply save it. Can I save it? Yes, I've saved it. Now let's open the file, the grid file. Okay, what do we have here? We have the countries, we have some codes. Fine. Let's see what the question is. Seems to be interesting. Let's see. The file will be used but not be edited. Fine. Create and format a new spreadsheet so that it looks like this. Okay. create and format a new spreadsheet so it look like this. Oh, I see. So what we need over here is code. The code has to come. The names have to come. Okay, fine. Let's do it. So let's.
We have to create a
Yeah, we have to make it.
spreadsheet from
I wa-
scratch.
I was thinking I could just save my time, but the examiner doesn't want me to save my time. So this was like A B one till G1. So
It's still B till G. So we have to merge and center. And then we do it bold, black and white, bolded,
we'll see
and
how.
it should be big enough.
Yes.
It
Current.
should be, it is also Arial. It's actually Arial.
Yeah, I'll just do that. Just 1 second. B2. I will just do all that. One
Green.
second. Hold your horses. Ethiopia.
Sir, if you notice, go back to the sheet. The second column is very thin. It's not supposed to be there. It's in the third column, country. You did it.
Okay. No problem. No problem. I can add another one. I can simply do is.
Okay.
Right. So your
Yes.
yeah. Okay. I'm not
And
typing.
now in the fifth row, then we start to write the code, the name, and the area,
This is
kilometer wise.
B5, right? This is B5. B5.
Elevation. Depth.
You know how to adjust this. You click here and double click between the columns. You know that, right? To adjust.
Yes. The,
Okay.
but I like to do that in the last step
Yes.
because it
It looks
will automatically do it.
yes.
Water.
So then we have written this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seriously, okay.
Uh, their outlines are supposed to be
Yeah,
black,
we'll
dark
just
black,
do that.
and then in
And
the
this
A column of 6 to 14 rows, there should be bold countings on the left.
can you see what I'm doing?
Yes, thick borders, not thick but black.
They're black. Okay, right? We will
Yes.
specify it. And from 6 we have to hold.
So, but we have to do that for the other columns as well, for the country and Ethiopia one also. Country in Ethiopia, and you might wanna do it again,
Why?
uh, double clicking it.
I didn't get the point. 2, 3. We just have to write this 2, 3, right? So we start from 6. We write over here.
One more thing, you have to make the country and Ethiopia column row dark black again,
Yes.
and these numbers should be bold.
Ethiopia has to be there. Okay, we'll type Ethiopia.
Yes, and one more thing, they should be the numbers should be bold. They are not bold.
Which one?
They aren't bold. That's what I was saying.
Right? And this
Yes,
can be
and the fourth row is supposed to be compressed a little bit.
a bit. Okay, fine. You can do this after a bit. These are tiny things. I'm most concerned about the functions. Okay. Make sure B1 to G1 and C3 to B3 G3 are merged. So B1 to G1. Yeah, we done that obviously. Save the spreadsheet as find it. Done that. Okay. Place a formula in cell B. Yes. So place a formula in cell B6 over here to that be replicated down till B14. Okay. The formula we must look up the code for each lake using the country stored in this and external file this for the array. Make sure that within each formula, if there is no lake, no error message or data is being displayed. You may use contents of column A to help you. One particular column. There are multiple columns in the country. Do you realize this?
Then there are supposed to be multiple formulas for that.
No, exactly. So let's read the question again. Okay. Can you read again?
And place a formula in cell B6 that can be replicated down. Uh, to B14, the formula must look up for the code for each lake using the country stored in the cell P3 and the external file for the array. Make sure that within each formula there is no, if there is no lake code, no error message or data is displayed in the cell. Sir, it is not asking for the lake code because it's saying if there is no lake code. Go back. Can we go back to the question paper again?
One. You are missing out one thing. Listen. Can,
Make sure that if there is no or data is displayed, hence you may use the contents of column A to help you.
yes. So, do you see over here is something? I just want to involve you more. Do you see over here we have this? Can we use this? Can this help us in some way? Let's see. Can it? Two, three, four, five, six, seven. What is this? This is the index number two, three, four, five, six. So basically, what the thing is, this is two. So I can actually do is uh, I can use is VLOOKUP. Okay. And okay,
And then,
I'm just asking you, am I doing it right? So that's my lookup value. And then I can select from here is the array. Yes or no? Agree with me? Comma.
yeah,
Now my column index number, I don't know. So I will select from here is two. Yes or no?
yes. But
And
why
comma
did you
zero.
click on it? You clicked on it actually.
Because listen, that's the point. They were saying that you can use this. My initially my point was this the countries. This is the first column code. This is the
Sir,
second column code.
I got it. Actually, it's a
Uh-huh.
trick.
It's a
There
trick.
are they,
Now
if you focus
yeah, if I replicate
if
this,
you यानी कि अगर आप गौर करें ना तो
yes,
एक्चुअली जिसमें L22 है ना वो रो नंबर 2 ही है.
exactly. अच्छा इसमें just have to lock the range. So A to J11 needs to be locked. So let me just lock it. Or
4 and then we can click on it
yes,
again
oh no, why is it not? Um, C3.
because
Oh, sorry. C3 has to be locked.
C3 is supposed
C3 has to be locked. Agree with me.
yes the lookup value and then it does give us
Fine.
the code.
Because C3 has to be locked, no? Otherwise it will become C4, C5, then that will be wrong. So very interesting question, wasn't it?
Hmm.
And
One
15 marks. Now
it
I say hide column A. After doing all this, you will simply do is
okay it actually was here to help us only.
exactly yes or
They do stuff.
right. Okay. Place a formula in cell C6 to G14 to look up the name, area, elevation, depth, and the type of water using the lake code in column B for the value and external five
To
lakes.
look up for the C6
So
to G14 to look up for the name, area, elevation, depth. अच्छी सी मांग रहा है name. That means we have to put many.
yeah, but what do we have?
No,
What?
can you just open the question paper again?
Yes.
We do and have to understand of type of what? Making using the lake code in column M22 lake for the array, M22 lake for the array.
Yes.
and column B for the value.
Yes.
Hmm. Make sure
M22.
that within each formula, if there is no like code, this.
So we have the
So
lake code,
what does this line mean? Make sure that within each formula, if there is no lake code, no error message or data is displayed in each cell.
which means if it's empty, make sure that each formula, if there is no lake code, no error message, or data is displayed. Okay. If it's empty, we can use the if statement over here that if it's empty, okay, uh, we will see if there's an error message, then I can tell you. Okay. If statement for that is if there is an error, then we can rectify it. Okay. But first, let's do it. So we have over here is this, and what we have over here, we have this, or
It's
here.
asking us to use M22 lake, not M22 grid. It's asking us to use M22 lake. So,
Oh, actually, you
but
know
there
what?
aren't
Hold
any,
on.
sir,
No,
there
no, no.
aren't any lake, etc.
No, no, no. There was, but remember, I was supposed to save it with some other name. I'll save this. I will close this, and I will open up my lake file as well. No, oh my God. Where's my original lake file? I hope I get. Uh, oh no.
Uh,
One
Sir,
second.
you deleted them actually. You have to
Um,
download them again.
yeah, just 1 second. Just copy this, paste it. I, actually, always follow the instruction. The examiner that you're supposed to save it with some other name. I did not do. I said, okay, I'll do it afterwards. So here we go. Come here. So I have saved it, so I don't need this. I can replace it. You get my point because I saved with some other name. So this is the actual file. Remember? Now I
Uh-huh.
think yes.
Yes,
Now things are easier for us. I think so. What do you say?
yes.
Everything is
Fine.
there. Now you can tell me what to do. So we want is the name. So by looking at the so obviously what we'll do is we can use is equals to,
We
and my lookup value is the country.
look up
No,
Ethiopia.
I'm sorry. Do we have
Ethiopia.
we
Actually,
have codes. We can look at the code.
oh no. We have to use the code for the lookup value. So we
Yes.
will use L11 or L22, which
And first we need is the name.
whatever
First,
code it is,
yeah.
and then we have to look up for the name. So our
Yes.
lookup value will be L22. We will use this. It's locked already, so we don't need
Same.
same area. And then we look up again. Our lookup value will be L22, and then we go and select. This time we will select from column A to
What do we want?
uh,
Area? We want area now.
column D. Column D. Yes. So we can just select the whole box, but it
Absolutely.
wouldn't give us
I
any
was going to say the same thing, but some problems. Why are you selecting the entire then? So what do we want now?
column index number, which is number four.
We want
Four.
area, right?
Four.
I have the question with you. That's
Average
good.
lookup zero. Then our elevation, it's actually the exact same thing. Sir, why
Yeah.
not just no, don't go back, just look up at the old, and then just copy the
No,
range.
but in that
Just
case,
copy
B.
the table array. Just copy the table array. That would be much faster because our table array is the same, right? We can just copy the table array, not the column number
No,
actually.
no. In fact, our lookup value is also the same. What if I replicate this way?
Yes.
And all I do is, oh no, what if, no, hold on, hold on. No, no. 1 second, 1 second. Let's listen. I don't want this is B6. So
Sir, actually, what are we
what if
going
I
to
lock
do is
this? Hold your horses, dear, dear, देखो. What if I lock this? What if I lock B? And now what if I replicate this? And two is
it
no, no,
it
no,
is
just wait.
actually giving us the
Five,
AB only.
five,
5 and then 4
five,
and then 6.
6, and then 7.
7.
Get my point.
सन मगर चेक कर लें पहले.
मैं वैसे ही
Exactly.
I'm just doing it because elevation हाँ ठीक है. Salt 7 ठीक है.
And then we replicate them all.
And
Then
then
we can just replicate all of them.
so there was no error message. You get the point? Fine.
Yes.
Wasn't it different paper? This was March. This was actually Indian variant paper. Okay. Now you just have to print the formula. Okay.
They
And
really like to troll the Indian people, huh?
yes, it is the Indian variant. Okay. So we just have to enter the values and then take a print. This was your March paper
Okay.
as well, right? So,
Enter into the cell
yeah,
C3 text.
they just want to test it. So to test it, they're saying is before you print it, type Kenya over here. Type Kenya. So just type is Kenya, and it's working. See how dynamic it is.
Water relief.
Exactly. So then you just print the values, and you know to print formulas. Yes or no, my dear? It's control tilde.
Yes.
And
How many? Yes. Control Tinda and then we.
G.
Sir, what if we just print out the selected part? Why are we supposed to print out the whole sheet if there's literally you can say
Because we
it's
have to know.
already filled till.
We have to
Give me a.
print. We have to print
Huh?
we have to print the entire spreadsheet showing all the formulas.